Hello student, myself Shraddha Kapartiwar as a maths educator from LP Savani Vidya Bhavan. Today I will start lesson number 3, playing with numbers, and the topics are factors. In this factors, how to find factors. First of all, let's we understand what is the meaning of factors. A factor of a number is an exact divisor of that number. Here I have taken the number 20. And 20 is equal to 1 multiply 20, that is 1 is divisible of 20. Then 2 multiply 10, 4 multiply 5 and 5 multiply 4. That means the numbers 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20. These are the numbers which is exactly divisible by 20. Now multiples. We know multiples means tables. So I have taken the example of 6. So if the number is 6 and write first 5 multiple of 6. So we will take it as 6 multiply 1, 6. 6 multiply 2 is 12. 6 multiply 3 is 18 and 6 multiply 4 is 24. 6 multiply 5 is 30. That means when we multiply the factors, we get multiples. So multiples and factors both are interrelated with each other. So we can say that some points about factors and multiples. Let us now see some interesting facts about factors and multiples. A number is a multiple of each of its factor. 1 is the factor of every number. Every number is a factor of itself and every number is a multiple of itself. Every factor of a number is an exact divisor of that number. Every factor is less than equal to the given number. Number of a factor of a given number are finite. Every multiple of a number is greater than or equal to that number. Multiples are infinite. Now exercise 3.1. The question is write all factors of the following. So first number is 24. So 24 we can write as 1 multiply 24, 2 multiply 12, that is 12 2s are 24. 3 multiply 8, that is 3 8s are 24 and 8 3s are 24. And 4 6s are 24 and 6 4s are 24. Here the numbers are repeated. So we can stop here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. These are the factors of 24. Those number comes twice, we will take it as once. So here 6 and 4 repeated, so we will take it as once. Now the next question is write first 5 multiples of 5. As we know table of 5, then we can write directly or write, that is 5 multiply 1 is equal to 5, 5 multiply 2 is equal to 10, 5 multiply 3 is equal to 15, 5 multiply 4 is equal to 20 and 5 multiply 5 is equal to 25. Now these are the multiples of 5. That means 5, 10, 15, 20 and 25. These are the multiples of 5. You can write directly as well as like this. Now the next number is 8. So again 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24, 8 fours are 32 and 8 5s are 40. These are the multiples of 8, or you can write like this. Okay. Now the next topic is prime numbers. Prime numbers means the number other than 1 whose only factors are 1 and the number itself. That means number having exactly 2 factors, so they are prime numbers. So let's see with the help of example. So there I have taken some examples, that is 2, 3, 4 and 5. We have to find out first 2 factors of 2, that is 2 1s are 1 2s are 2 and 2 1s are 2. Here exactly 2 factors. 3 1s are 3 and 1 3s are 3. Again here 2 factors. 4 1 4s are 4, 2 2s are 4 and 4 1s are 4. Here 3 factors. And 5 1s are 5 and 1 5s are 5. Here 2 factors. Now here 2, 3, 5, such numbers having exactly 2 factors, so they are prime numbers. Now the composite numbers are, number having more than 2 factors are called composite numbers. Again we have to see with the help of some examples. Now factor of 2, that is 1 and 2, that is 2 factors. Again 4 having 3 factors, 2 factors, 6 having 4 factor, 7 having 2 factors and 8 having 4 factors. Now the 4, 6 and 8 having more than 2 factors, so we can say that 4, 6, 8 are the composite numbers. Now we can see even and odd numbers. Now even number means a number which is exactly divisible by 2 is called an even number. Here 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, each of them are multiple of 2. These are even numbers. And here is the 2 is the smallest prime number which is even. Now what are odd numbers? A number which is not exactly divisible by 2 is called an odd numbers. For examples 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 are called odd numbers. Every prime numbers except 2 is odd number. Now exercise 3.2, first question. What is the sum of any two? Here is, in this question there are 2 parts. A, odd numbers, and B, even numbers. That means first we have to find out what is the sum of any 2 odd numbers. If we take 2 odd numbers, then what is the result? So as we know, odd numbers are 1, 3, 5, etc. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. If we add any two odd numbers, if we take that means I have taken here 3 and 5, both are odd numbers, and if we add, answer is 8 and 8 is even. So on this example we can say that sum of any 2 odd number is even. Now the next question is, what is the sum of any 2 even numbers? Again, even numbers are 2, 4, 6, 8, etc. So I have taken 2 plus 4. So 2 plus 4 is equal to 6, and again 6 is even number. So from this example we can say that the sum of any two even number is even number. Now the question number 5 is, what is the greatest prime number between 1 and 10? So we can say here, prime number between 1 and 10. And what is the prime number? Prime number means the numbers having exactly two factors. So see here, 2 having 1 and 2 factors, 3, 1, 3, then 5, 1, 5, and 7, that is 1 and 7. They having, that is 2, 3, 5, 7, having exactly two factors. So 2, 3, 5, 7, they are the prime numbers. But the question is, the greatest prime number between 1 and 10 is 7. So answer is 7. Now the next question is, express the following as the sum of two odd prime. That means the question are 44, 36, 24 and 18. We have to show these numbers in the form of addition in a such a way that they are added in odd and only prime numbers. They have to be odd as well as prime. So I can take here 44 we can write as 13 plus 31. Both are 13 and 31, both are odd and prime. Now next, that is 3 plus 41. 3 is odd and prime. 41 is also odd and prime. Now 36. 5 plus 31. Now next combination is 23 plus 13. Then next number 24. 11 plus 13. And the next combination is 7 plus 17. Next number is 18. 7 plus 11 and 5 plus 13. These numbers I have taken in the form of addition. They are only odd prime numbers. Now the next question is, give 3 pairs of prime numbers whose difference is 2. So first of all we see 2 prime numbers whose difference is 2 are called twin prime numbers. That means we have to find out twin prime numbers. I have taken some prime numbers, that is 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, etc. So we can make pair having difference 2. So first I will take here, that is first pair, that is 3 and 5. So if we write, so 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. Now the next pair is 5 and 7, that is 7 minus 5 is equal to 2. And the third pair is 11 and 13, that is 13 minus 11 is equal to 2. These are the pairs of prime numbers whose difference is 2.